Hello everyone, I'm Ashna. This video is going to be a brief overview of my project, WebCrawler. So before starting anything, let's fire up Redis. Let it run in the background. Let's quickly start our application. So this is going to be my UI. Let's send queries through Postman. Suppose I want to crawl this URL as a paid customer. By the way, on my application, I have two types of customers, paid customers and free customers. For paid customers, I have assigned 5 web crawlers, and for free customers, I have assigned 2 web crawlers. And at a time, I can handle only 100 requests per 1 hour. So that 1 hour is my bucket. After each 1 hour, I will refresh my bucket. So at an instance, I can handle up to 10 web crawler workers. So let's quickly find. Since I am crawling this website for the first time, it should be a cache miss. So as you can see, data is not found in the cache. It is a cache miss. And before crawling the URL, first we are checking if that URL exists or not. For some reason, if that URL is down, we have maximum obtained up to 3 retries. If that URL is found, then we crawl that URL up to maximum 3 depth for each link. Then after getting the data, we set the data into our cache. As you can see, here is the JSON response. As you can see, it took me 16 seconds for retrieving the data. As it is in cache, if I query this again, as you can see, it is less than 1 second. It's such a fast response. Okay, now let's moving on to next concept. As you can see, I have given here multiple APIs. Using these APIs, I can set maximum of number of workers that can work together at an instance, or maximum number of pages that can be crawled in an hour. Or using these 4 APIs, I can see what current maximum page value is set or what request I am running. For example, if I want to run this request dot get pages, what it does is it will return me the value up to how many pages I can give response in an 1 hour. So as you can see, it is 100. I can change this 100 using another API called pages and giving query as 10. So as you can see, updated max pages call up to 10. Okay. Now I can also see what is my current page, what is my current request. So it shows 2. So which means up to till now, I have made 2 requests in my bucket. That means in my 1 hour bucket, I have done 2 requests till now. And this time shows me the time remaining to refresh my bucket. Okay, now moving on. I want to show you what happens if we spam one URL. For example, if I want to browse google.com, so as a paid customer, what happens is I will assign 5 crawlers to crawl this website. That means by default, I have maximum up to 10 workers, as you can see. So maximum up to I can query this website 2 times as a paid customer. Let's see. Then again, let's send this, let's send this, let's send this. As you can see, it shows maximum crawl workers limit reach. That means at one instant, because this till now it didn't complete its crawling, So 5 web crawlers here and 5 web crawlers here. So what happens here is 10 web crawler limit is exceeded. So it tells me I cannot assign any more web crawler to this query. So I have to wait till those crawlers finish my work. So let's see what happens. As you can see, query number 2, 3, and 4. At 4, I got maximum crawl worker limit reach. Let's wait for the response. So here is the response. As you can see, the time taken is approx 1 minute here and here because these two queries are fired at the same time. So this means this data is currently present in my cache. If now I fire it again, it should be a cache hit. As you can see, it is less than 1 minute. It is significantly faster. It is serving from my cache. As you can see, it is cache hit. Okay. Now I want to see what my current request was. You get my current request. So that was my 5th request. And what was maximum? And the limit was set to 10. So if I want to change the limit to 6, let's just test that. Want to limit it to 6, and then I will again spam requesting. So updated to 6. And now what I will do is instead of Google, let's check for Yahoo. Yahoo. And yeah, okay. Let's spam Yahoo. So since this is my 6th, this is inbound of my maximum page request. So you can see as soon as I click send button, it says hourly call limit exceeded, which means within my 1 hour bucket, I have exceeded my total number of URLs to be crawled. That is 6. So as you can see, the hourly limit bucket was exceeded. So this gives me this error. This technically tells me like I have to wait for 1 hour, then only my request will be proceeded. Thank you. This was the project.